Do you also receive a lot of leads through your Sulekha account? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how you can add Sulekha leads to HubSpot automatically. So I receive a lot of leads through my Sulekha account, and here my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically and instantly I want to add that lead as a new contact in my HubSpot CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, we will connect our Sulekha account with our HubSpot CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can add your Sulekha leads automatically to HubSpot CRM as a new contact. So now here to build this automation, we are going to connect our Sulekha account with our HubSpot CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So before moving forward, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community as soon as possible. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add Sulekha leads to HubSpot automatically. Then here's asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you know that we are receiving new leads through Sulekha. So we're going to select our trigger as Sulekha and our app event as new leads. Then we're going to click on this connect. And here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Sulekha account with Pabbly Connect. So it says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your Sulekha account. Reach out to your account manager from Sulekha. Your integration will be activated by the Sulekha team. Once they activate the subscription, you will start receiving the leads data in webhook response over here. So here you need to copy the webhook URL, and you need to send this webhook URL to the backend team of your Sulekha account in order to set up the webhook inside your account. Once they're going to set up the webhook, then automatically you're going to receive all your leads inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so for now I'm going to copy the webhook URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team in order to receive a dummy lead details over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received the last name, first name, email address and the contact number of our lead. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then automatically I'm going to add this lead as a new contact in my HubSpot CRM account. So for that, we're going to add an action step over here, and here we're going to select the action application as HubSpot CRM and app event as create a contact. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your HubSpot CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with HubSpot CRM. Here you can see it is requesting me to choose the accounts. I'm going to choose the account, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my HubSpot CRM account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your account in the same browser, or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for the account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Then it is asking for some basic details. So these fields are not required fields. I'm going to leave all of them blank. And then here for the email address, we are going to enter our lead's email address. So now here, instead of entering the details manually, we are going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a Sulekha account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the email address, we're going to map our lead's email address. Here we're going to map the first name of our lead. Then here we're going to leave all these fields blank because they are not the required one. And here for the status, we're going to select active. Here these fields are not required field. Then we're going to scroll a little down. And here for the lead status, I'm going to select new only. You can select it as per your requirement. Alright, let's move forward. Here these fields are not required one. Here for the WhatsApp number, we are going to map the WhatsApp number. Here we are going to scroll it little down again. And here for the last name, we are going to map the last name. Here for the mobile phone number, we are going to map the same number because we have received a single number from our lead over here. Same goes with the phone number field as well. Then we are going to scroll it little down. And now here after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a lead in our HubSpot CRM account as a new contact. So let's go and check it, and here you can see we have received a new contact over here with the name Smart User. Here you can see the email address and the phone number of our lead. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected a trigger as Sulekha and an action as HubSpot CRM. So that when you're going to receive a new lead, then automatically that lead will be created as a new contact in our HubSpot CRM account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add Sulekha leads to HubSpot automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.